Tropical storm Grace passes through Jamaica with lashing thunderstorm and lightning. Motorists are being advised to proceed with caution. And motorists earlier in the flooding had to be rescued by passbyers. A lot of places flooded. Uptown, downtown, roundtown. You have BullBay flood out. You have downtown. You have Marcus Garvey Drive. You have a lot of places. All up road. You know what I mean? You have the utility pole fall down. We have all of them videos showing the people. But people like the video people. Like the video, share it out with a friend or a family people. When I just precaution, when I just proceed with caution, it is not a joke storm. You know what I mean? Making landfall, a lot of rain, a lot of wind. So, oh no, proceed with caution. This lady was very, very lucky for someone to rescue her people. Don't make you be someone that somebody else have to rescue people. We're going to show you what go on. Stay tuned to the end. Like the video, people. Like it up and share it with a friend.
Who that? She right there, sir. Them need to park up properly on the sidewalk. You better mind that truck, you need to put them van, you know.
Nobody now on pass. Block the road. Two side block up. On the Harbour Road.
Somebody that try to.
Watch out, daddy. Watch out, daddy. A grand spend this, you know. Watch out. Watch out. After the hill, this highway, you know. Watch out. Me a pass. Rasta take time. Go on to Rasta. Go on, Rasta. Go on. Don't stop, Rasta. Don't stop. Don't. Watch it. Watch it. Serious thing I go on, brother. This not normal, brother. Brother, watch it. Brother, hold that turn. Make your come up. Make ears.
As you can see the video them, a lot of rescuing is currently going on. Chuck run off in our little gully backward to came to rescue it. On Bayshore Road in Harborview section, a lady underfit was about to wash away when residents saw her struggling, rushed to her rescue and help her. You have all up road, utility pole fall down. Also you have in downtown flooding, Spanish Town Road flooding. A lot of flooding going on, people. You have to just look out on your eyes. You know what I mean? Enough of the gullies right now overflow them banks. If you live in a low line area where you know you have to cross one gully, call a friend, call a family member, ask them if the gully overflow, because a lot of persons have been overflowing. A lot of gullies been overflowing its bank. A lot of persons have to turn back to making detours. People want to big up each and every one for them. God bless and all people. Love on, you know. People don't